remember so we're a meal ago. Shit, Tommy the cat is a real back clear wherever far matter made next week was a mighty throat. Many a fat on the runners, but as a pie, so sorry, point blank the captain's power of this all thing growling machine. Surely order nature the certain predator. Tommy the cat had made a story to tell. Was a rare occasion such as this that he did. Ha ha.
She came sliding down the alleyway like butter dripping off a hot biscuit. The aroma of the meat set was enough to arouse suspicion, and even the oldest of tigers that hung around the hot spots those days. Sight was beyond belief. Many a head snap for doubles, even triple decks. This vivacious feline made her way into the depths of the alleyway where the most virile of the Otavies were known to hang out. They hung in droves. Such a multitude of masculinity could only be found in one place, and that was O'Malley's Alley. The air was thick with catcalls, no pun intended. But not even a muscle or neck to twitch as she soldiered up into the heart of the alleyway. She knew what she wanted. She was looking for that tadpole. She was looking for that beer tag. And that was
him.
Tommy the cat is my name, and I say unto thee. Say, baby, do you wanna lay down with me? Say, baby, do you wanna lay down by my side? Or baby, do you wanna lay down with me? Say, baby. Say, baby. You wanna lay down with me? Say, baby, do you wanna lay down by my side? Or baby, do you wanna lay down with me? Say, baby.
Say, baby. Say, baby, do you wanna lay down with me? Say, baby, do you wanna lay down by my side? Or baby, do you wanna lay down with me? Say, say, baby, do you wanna lay down with me? Say, baby, do you wanna lay down by my side? Baby, do you wanna lay down with me? Say, baby. Say, baby.